horrible, yeehaw. Current situation, we're in the truck on our way to San Antonio. Yesterday was absolutely amazing. So now we got to outdo what we did yesterday. And I mean, it's kind of a cheat now because yesterday was kind of like our practice session run of like the throwing axis. So now, I mean, there's quite a bit of a pressure. Well, I don't know if the other guys from San Antonio know that we did some axe throwing today, but we'll try to pull it off like this is our first time, and hopefully like we do better than we did yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't hit any shots, so it's basically still my first time.
But his heart was there, so that's all that counts. You know what I mean? So A for effort in regard to the axe throwing.
True.
Go and get some margaritas, some tacos, burritos. Give us the fuel for the axe throwing, and then we'll see what happens.
That was an epic fail on my part.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir. I'm taking these vibes. Like, this is ridiculous.
Okay, today, Jan is actually making it. And here on this next shot, this is for the win right here. He had to get a 3, but watch his reaction right here. He thought he lost, but everybody is actually cheering for him. It was hilarious. And this, absolutely amazing. So stoked that one of the guys brought mead. It was my first time trying it. What it is, if you don't know, it's honey wine. And this one right here, Viking Blood, 19% alcohol, and I think it's around $28 a bottle. Do yourself a favor, track it down. Make sure I can still talk. Current situation, exhausted AF. We're definitely posted up until tomorrow. So here's the deal. For this trial run, it was amazing. It was definitely a success. Like, we honestly couldn't have asked for anything better. I mean, maybe a little cooler temperature, not as humid, but nonetheless, it still wasn't as bad as Houston and San Antonio typically are. But all in all, again, success. Like, both of the groups, like the Vikings from the Vikings from Houston were phenomenal. The Vikings from San Antonio were phenomenal. Perhaps we should do something for the Vikings up in Austin, but I think our next stop will probably do Florida's in the works or Colorado's in the works, so we'll definitely keep you posted on that. My flight is at 6:30 in the morning tomorrow, so he's going to be waking up with me, but his flight tomorrow isn't until 8 p.m. So that's pretty much after he drops me off at the airport. This is pretty much what he's going to be doing tomorrow.
My whole day, dude.
With food in hand, though. So I'm actually, like, I'm envious of that part of the whole deal. But yeah, again, I mean, honestly, I couldn't be any happier with the way things that went. And I'm just excited for what is to come with this project. Good times all around, and like so many more good times to come. So yeah. Until next time, peace! We out.